How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can connect your Gamesir Nova Lite to your iPad. So in order to do this, we need to enable the iOS connection pairing mode on our controller. So of course, you want to make sure to turn on your controller first. From there, we want to simply click on this home button, which is going to be the Gamesir logo. Meanwhile, also clicking the B button simultaneously. So you want to press and hold these buttons for at least 5 seconds together, and a blue light will then appear onto the logo of Gamesir right here. This is basically the iOS pairing mode or the Bluetooth mode for this specific model. So from there, what you can do is to simply head over to your iPad, navigate through the Bluetooth connection, and basically you will be able to see the Gamesir ready to pair with your device. So if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.